You ain't got socks on?
It ripped through already.
That's gross.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Same on this side too, look. Those are 2 reasons you should hit the like button.
Hola my dudes, today we're going to talk about actually skateboarding and do some actual IRL skateboarding in real life. I want to talk about, am I too old to skateboard? Or are you too old to skateboard? Is anyone too old to skateboard? Well, there's a lot of variations to that question, right? I also want to talk about the straight 8, and I also want to talk about like video games, like skateboarding video games, and whatever skateboarding video game you're into, just all of them. Session, Tony Hawk, Skater XL, Skate on mobile, if you're into that, if you're into the fingerboarding ones on mobile, like whatever form of skateboarding video game you're into, I want to talk about that too. So let's get into it. Little background on me. I used to skate when I was younger, like 13 through 18, I skateboarded. I think that first year is whatever. And then, you know, people got cameras and we started filming and started making edits. And that's when it became really serious to me. And that's like when I got addicted to skateboarding, was getting tricks and then coming home and then putting like an edit together. You know what I mean? Like that's probably the most fun I have on skateboarding, is getting all the stuff and then polishing it up and making a cool edit and then posting that. And like, that was always my favorite thing. And like showing my parents, like, hey, look at my edit today. Look at my edit today. You know, I would do that all the time. Anytime I went to the park, I would get clips, or I would try to get clips from my friends, you know what I mean? And then just try to put some sort of montage together, some sort of like feely, vibey montage, you know? I mean, I was just learning editing. So it was a way to, I don't know, I guess like express myself. You know what I mean? I don't know. Skateboarding's always been kind of that for me. So fast forward so many years or whatever. And, you know, I played skate. I played EA Skate a lot in college. That was a lot of fun, but I never really got back into skateboarding. And it wasn't until Skater XL came out. I got in on the early version of it, and it has completely reignited that like fire of like, I could do this. This is fun. I really enjoy this. And like, I don't need to be throwing myself down big stairs and stuff like that. So like, if you feel like you're too old to skateboard, you're not. Like, just stick to flat ground tricks. You know what I mean? Like, there's a ton of resources now. Like, back in my day, I wish I had YouTube to just jump on there and watch Aaron Cairo teach me 400 different ways to ollie or kickflip. You know what I mean? Like, there's so much in terms of resources that learning how to skateboard, getting the technique down is just so much better. And like, when you're older too, I feel like you can process the tricks a lot better in your head. Like for me, all the tricks that I do, like the straight 8, okay, that we're gonna watch, okay? Back in the day, I used to think, oh, I can't do that, right? But now I'm like thinking, okay, well, my foot flicks this way, it slides this way. And I don't know, I mean, maybe that's just me, but I didn't have that like, that like feeling that like, oh, let me just sit down and really think about this, really process it, and I'll be able to land that trick. You know, that just was something that I didn't really have as a kid. I don't know. I think it's just getting that perspective from living life. You start to be able, you're better to break things down. And I think skating at an older age, it's nice being able to do that. You know what I mean? So like, it's a lot of fun. And I don't know, when you land stuff, it just feels so damn good. You know what I mean? It's really addicting. And when you think about something and it actually works out physically, you're like, I thought about this and then I did it. So gratifying, like so gratifying. So me, I'm 33 years of age. Okay. And I've seen people shred. Like if you take a look, there's a Reddit, right? And it's called like old skaters. And if you go on there, so if you're an older dude and you're looking for motivation, get on there, film yourself, post some clips, because those dudes in there are so freaking nice. And even that, I'm not even kidding. Like, I know this is going to sound weird, but if you're an older skater and you're looking to get back into it, and say you don't have your old squad you used to, that's totally fine. This is going to sound super weird, but TikTok is so freaking good. The skaters on TikTok, the community on TikTok, just the overall vibe that you get from the skate community on TikTok is so freaking nice. Like, look at this video here that I posted, and we'll just kind of scroll through the comments. Like, it's crazy. Like, and this blew up for me being like, yo, I'm an older guy, not older, I mean, I'm 33, but like I started skating again and it took off. And I'm telling you, like, that community really encourages people to get back into the hobby. It's a lot of fun. You know what I mean? And like, and being able to pick up your board and get back those tricks, it's it's such a gratifying experience. Now, don't get me wrong, those first couple weeks or first couple months, your legs are gonna feel weird. They're gonna feel jello-y. They're not gonna feel the best that they always were. You know what I mean? But like, it's just repetition. Going out, get a solid hour session in there, come home, your legs are burning, your legs are hurting the next day, and you just got to keep going out and just doing it. You know what I mean? I think 3 to 4 skate sessions every week will really help out. You know, get yourself out there on the weekends, and it's just a great way to exercise too. Now, I started watching like other YouTubers that also are like older, not older, but like just, yeah, I guess like older skaters, right? And there's a lot of good advice out there, like changing up your diet. Like if you're really serious about it and you really want to use this as like a health movement thing or whatever, like changing your diet up, getting fitter. I'm clearly not doing that part of it, but I am going out there and putting in the work. We go skateboarding every single day. Okay, so let's explain the straight 8. I've rambled too much. See, I get excited about these things. You know what I mean? Then I just start rambling and I just start going, and I'm so sorry. Let's get into it. So the straight 8. The straight 8 is a kickflip and a heel flip every way. Regular, switch, nollie, and fakie, right? Being able to go out and get all those tricks, and then you do that every single time you go out. It's a perfect warm up, right? It's a perfect way to get your body loose, to get limbered up, to get your agile, get your feels, you know what I mean? And it's hard too. And if you could get it in one go, oh my God, I can think that's the goal here. That's definitely the goal for me, is being able to do a straight 8 all first try. Like the kickflip, heel flip, switch flip, nollie flip, fakie heel, fakie, you know what I mean? I want to get all of them first try, one go. And that's my personal goal. You know what I mean? So every day we go out and I try to get it. I just started doing it. So like I've been skateboarding every day, and starting as of yesterday, every time I go out, I'm going to get a straight 8 no matter what. That's my new mission. So here it is. Here's my straight 8 right here. Now, don't get me wrong. This is not the cleanest straight 8 by any means necessary. Like, it's pretty sloppy. Like, I got my kickflip and heel flip. Those were okay. My fakie flip was whatever. The fakie heel was it's a little sus. And then it got really weird. The switch flip was Mob Factory 9000. The nollie flip, it was, you know, it's I freaking busted I got so busted on that nollie heel. Look at this. Yeah, that was it was a good time there. My wife got a little freaked out, but like, I don't know, I just kind of hit my butt a little bit. It wasn't that big of a deal. I honestly, it kind of hurt my back more than anything, but like, I don't know. I just got home, threw some ice on it, played some Skater XL. I can't feel it now. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think. I'm super hyped on the progression session that I had. Let me know if can you guys do a straight 8? Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I get it. You can go ahead and roast me in the comments for how sloppy some of those tricks were, but I promise they're gonna get better. They're gonna get better. I'm gonna keep doing this, and I encourage you to, okay? And if you do tag me on Instagram. It's just props2 on Instagram. You can tag me on Twitter if you want to. I'm on TikTok. It's all props2. So if you just props2, you'll find me. Tag me. I'd love to see it. And this is a new segment that I want to add to my channel. Like, I think every week I should have a weekly video. Like, this is an IRL skateboarding update. So let me know what you guys think. You're interested in this kind of content. And yeah, I can't wait to see you guys in another one. We'll be playing some Skater XL here in the next couple days, doing some more things. I know if you're here for Skater XL and you were hoping this was an update video, believe me, I know I want the update too, but we're just all waiting. We're all waiting. Skateboarding games, whatever skateboarding game you play, whatever one amps you up to go out and skate, you should absolutely do it. And I think it's positive reinforcement too. Like, you know, we're not going to get super scientific and spiritual here, right? But if your thoughts, here we go. If your thoughts manifest into reality, so if you go out and skateboard all day, you get your tricks, and then you come home, right? And you skateboard digitally and get your tricks. I feel like that might be the secret sauce right there. So I'm not going to say Skater XL has made me a better skater, but I will say it has motivated me to definitely become a better skater. So there it is. That's what it is right there. So that's my answer on that. I don't know if anyone's even asking it, but if you are wondering if skateboarding games help you get better, I think no. And yes, but no. But yes, I don't know. What do you think? Yeah, that's it. I'm rambling again. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, then please like the video. Also, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of the series. Let me know which one of these tricks you can get, which one of the tricks you can't get. I look forward to hearing from you. Also, guys, I do stream every Tuesday and Thursday on Twitch. That is twitch.tv/propstu. I've been playing a lot of Rocket League, Skater XL, and Call of Duty. I'm trying to get my friends to play more Rocket League. It's a lot of fun. And I've been just putting the hurting on these kids, man. All right, that's it. You guys have a good one. Peace. Wow, that was weird. Guys. Whoa. That was weird. See you in another one. Peace.